In this video, we will learn how to split CSV to row in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data with the group list and email ID. I have here several email ID in one row and I want to split them into the different row. So let's start how it's done. First select the full data, press the Ctrl plus A, then Ctrl plus T to convert the data in the table. Click on the OK, the data will convert in table. Now go to the data tab, click on the get data option. Here you get the from other sources. Here you get the option from table and range. Just click on it. The Power Query editor is open. Here just select the column those you want to split. So I just select the email ID column. Then click on the split column option. Click on this arrow. Click on the byte delimiter. Select here the comma because in our data have a comma. I want to split it. Each occurrence of the delimiter, select this each occurrence. Click on the advanced option. Click on the row and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see every email ID is one row is split it. Just close it and click on the keep option. The data is ready. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.